Very much them kids.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Y'all miss me? I'm not even gonna be long with it. Your girl is back creating content. So with that being said, hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece. Welcome back to my channel. If you were new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. And today, we're gonna have us a cute little couch conversation. I think that this is probably gonna be like a new series on my channel. One, it's easy to edit because it's literally just me talking. It'll be, you know, just a quick little chat. Maybe I might pull Aaliyah's face and maybe Skype one of y'all in so that we can like chop it up together. I don't know, but you guys obviously see that I have not been posting content literally since like my birthday video. The giveaway is closed. I did go ahead and message those winners on Instagram. The package has already been sent out. They've already received their product. Don't worry. This is, you know, your girl's a part of the Dossier family, so I'm sure there'll be more giveaways in the future. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But it's like I posted that video and then my depression was like, hey bitch, I'm here. I'm gonna make you feel like you're a failure. I'm gonna make you feel like you have not done anything in these 30 years of life. You suck. You are not smart. You are just, you know. And I feel like I was trying to fight it with like being out more, being more active, being more just outgoing than I normally am. Like, cause I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like I can't be a little boring. That's that Capricorn in me. But I was just like outside, like fuck it, like let's turn up, let's go somewhere, let's drink, let's have a good time. And don't get me wrong, I was having a ball, but I definitely got off track from really trying to like focus on my goals. And I think a lot of that had to do with, I feel like the plans that I had for my 30th birthday, that definitely got like snipped from me because one, it took forever for me to get my state board stuff out the way, which by the way, shout out to me, your girl is officially a licensed esthetician. So when it comes down to the skin, I know what I'm talking about, okay? So I officially have my license, like the actual physical license that I could put my little passport picture on. I could start taking clients, servicing people, all of that. So that part is done. But it was such a drag to get there. It's like everything has been going on with COVID. So the amount of people that they were allowing to test on certain dates definitely got limited. So I was just kind of like just sitting on ice. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, we're gonna have another celebration like this year. That's probably gonna be like my entrepreneurship birthday. Not gonna hold y'all, so I'll get into a little bit more details about that once I kind of like write that out and figure out what I want to do. But nonetheless, I think I want to do like a little dinner or something for myself to celebrate. I'm gonna text my friends because that's probably what I am gonna do. Yeah, so it's been almost a year since I've been a full-blown entrepreneur, and like literally while I haven't been recording, depression has just really been beating my ass. Like I don't have an excuse, like that's literally just what it was. I was just feeling not worthy, very stuck, very like I don't have anybody else telling me how to navigate this life, how to go about making sure that I'm getting money, how to make sure I'm putting myself out there, how do I get to where I want to be. And it's like with the job, when you go and you clock in, You have a manager that has your task list. You have customers that are coming in that you're servicing. Like, your day is kind of planned out for you. You know, at this time you're going to lunch, you coming back, you doing whatever work is, you're getting off, you're going home, and you repeat that shit over and over again. But entrepreneurship is like, it's literally on you. And a life I like to live, I like a good little wine. I love to eat out, all of that. So it's like, if you're gonna maintain this lifestyle, like, you need to figure it out. You need to get up, you need to be disciplined. So my goal for this last 6 months is to really be disciplined. And I want to make another vision board. So you guys let me know if like you guys want me to like make a video on like my last 6 months of the year, like the things that I want to manifest, creating like a vision board for the last half of the year. Obviously not abandoning my 2022 vision board, but just now that I've gotten through the first 6 months, I know what my focus is. I know what's attainable. I know what I have in my head that I want to do. So I want to like update my vision board and do something that like by December 31st of 2022, all of these things need to be accomplished, or I want to be here. So if you guys want me to do a video on that, showing you guys how I make my digital vision board, definitely let me know and I can get that filmed for you guys. Like, I love doing stuff like that. So I'll definitely probably, you know, go ahead and film that anyways. And if you guys said that you want it, then I'll just go ahead and edit it and post it to my channel. But nonetheless, like, y'all, yeah, life has been on your girl's ass. It's been on your girl ass. I have realized this about me. I'm so good at encouraging and pushing my friends and other people who I see like great potential in to just be their best. But I feel like when it comes to myself, I do battle a lot with a lot of self-doubt, and I have been having to wake up every morning really and use like meditation. I'll actually link some of like the guided meditations that I listen to like before I go to bed, or like when I get up in the morning before I start my day. I'll put some of those down below in the description box. But like, when I tell y'all, I have really been having to like go deep into my meditation because my mental has just not been where I need it to be. And I feel like in entrepreneurship is so important to have your priorities straight, mentally, emotionally, staying very close to God, praying about and over everything, but more than anything, having a support system. And I don't want to get emotional. I'm drinking this mimosa, so it's very possible that there may be some tears shed in this video, but I'm gonna try my hardest not to do that. If y'all don't know this about me either, I'm also a crybaby. But I really just have to give it up to my friends, because when I tell y'all, like, I swear the second that I posted that video about my birthday, even coming up on my birthday, I was just so emotional and just so overwhelmed about turning 30. Because like I said in that video, when you're younger, you have this vision for your life, like, oh, by 25, you know, I'm gonna have met the love of my life, I'm gonna be married, I'm gonna, you know, start having kids, whatever. And it's just like, I'm 30, I'm very much single, like single as fuck. Very much them kids. Yeah, like I just felt like younger me thought that I would be further along, but like I have so many like friends and like feelers on me like, girl, 30 is still young, like you can still live your life. And I'm just like, I don't want to be an old mom, oh my god, like really beating myself up, y'all. So I've just really been in my head a lot for like this last 2.5, almost 3 months, and trying to like party my way out of being sad, party my way out of like just not knowing what's next. And it's like, you can't do that. Like, you need to sit down with yourself, you need to have a very real conversation, like whatever that conversation looks like, create a plan, stick to the plan, and do what you can within your power to get you to where you want to be. So yeah, like that's, like I said, like my focus is really just like improving my life over the last 6 months. Like I already, you know, I have a good life, but I want to continue to prosper and to soar and to make myself proud more than anything, because it's in me and it's on me and I'm capable. So that's it. I really just wanted to tap in with you guys, give y'all something that's like super simple and digestible for a Friday. I do have some content coming, so be on the lookout for that. It is actually makeup and product related. Y'all, I've been getting so many like PR packages and so many like brand opportunities. It's like it's crazy to me that like this is really my life. Like, wow, people are really messing with my content. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see, you know, where I'm at December 31st of 2022. So I'll definitely do a check-in with that. And yeah, I just wanted to hop on, talk to you guys, let you guys know why I've been missing. Oh, by the way, I also want to address this too. The giveaway that I did with Dossier, it's already been closed. I messaged the winners on Instagram because y'all know it was a requirement for you guys to follow me on Instagram. So I've already messaged the winners. I've already sent out the packages. We've been in communication. I love talking to y'all on Instagram, by the way. And they love the fragrances that I sent them. That will not be the only giveaway. I will definitely try to do more giveaways. Obviously, the more the channel grows, the more opportunities that I get, I definitely want to give back to you guys, because again, these platforms like YouTube and TikTok and y'all being interactive and showing love really has been changing a lot of people's lives, and I'm trying to be one of the people whose lives get changed. And I feel like the way that you get blessed even more is by showing gratitude, and I am so grateful for y'all. While my platform is still small, it's still not just me, and I'm grateful for each and every one of y'all that take the opportunity to subscribe, to be on my channel, all of that good stuff. So I have a lot of, like I said, I have a lot of content coming, so be on the lookout. You see your girls on her natural stuff. I just didn't even feel like doing my makeup or anything to do this video, because this is just how I've been literally for the last 2 months, like very much barefaced. I did have a wig on, but now like my hair is in this slick back bun that needs to be washed. But yeah, before I start rambling, that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in, and content is on the way. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.